Hey, I'm Alicia from MINI Canada, and we're here today with the MINI Countryman checking out some of the newest original MINI parts and accessories. One of the most versatile accessories you can add to the outside of your vehicle is the MINI roof rack system. This base carrier allows you to easily mount various storage accessories to the roof of your vehicle. For example, the MINI roof box. Giving you a maximum capacity of 320 liters, this roof box is perfect for those extra long trips when you need a little more storage space. It can be opened from both sides, which makes packing and unpacking a lot easier. It's fully lockable to help ensure your gear won't end up in the wrong hands. Another great rooftop accessory you may want to check out is the MINI Touring Bicycle Carrier. Whether you're a cyclist or you want to bring an extra ride along for the trip to the cottage, this fixture allows you to safely transport a bike with a frame diameter of up to 80 millimeters. And just like the roof box, it features a secure locking system so your bike will stay locked up when you're not riding it. All that's left to do is check out all these MINI parts and accessories for yourself. I encourage you to visit mini.ca/accessories or head over to your MINI retailer today for more details. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you next time.